Investment strategies for the modern family. Got one question. How well did you fare in the last 10 years? Since 2008, the stock market has gone from like right here, was it like right here to here, right? How much did you make? How much did you save for your future? That's the main question. Now, I'm not talking about, just random, right? Because, yeah, in a boom like this, you could have invested in anything and made money, right? But that's not always going to be the case, as we all know that. We all were a little scared. I don't. It all depends on how old you are, right? I'm at the age to where I was just becoming an adult, and then the crash came, right? And so I understand what it is before. Well, I was actually alive for both crashes, the dot-com crash and then the 2008 crash. But the dot-com, I was still more or less a kid, so it didn't affect me at all. I didn't really know anything about it, right? But 2008, I was an adult, right? And I kind of seen what happened to the world. And it scared the bejesus out of everybody, right? The Great Recession, as we call it. But then we seen what happened after, and it was a great explosion, great growth. Now, income strategies for the modern family, right? What my entire goal and for this class is to teach the people that we're not a part of that boom, right? That didn't capitalize on it. Because I see a lot of people out there and they're like, well, this and that, and they're always complaining, or there's always a reason on why they didn't get it, right? Why the rich always stay rich, or whatever it is. But it's not necessarily true, because every one of us had the opportunity to profit. If you didn't, that's not because the rich did something that you couldn't have done. It's just they did something that you didn't know, right? And that's the big difference between the rich and the poor. The poor don't know. The rich do. The poor complain about it and they don't understand it. But let me explain something to you. There is a financial newspaper everywhere. There's a financial business station. There's TV stations. It's all over the place. So the excuse of, oh, it's the rich people doesn't exist anymore. That might have existed in the 30s before the internet. But now that we have the internet, it's almost impossible to say that you didn't know. You didn't know means that you were just too lazy. So I'm gonna do you a solid. I'm gonna do you a huge favor here. I'm gonna allow you to no longer be a victim, right? With these 12 strategies. Now, I'm not talking anything complex, right? We're not talking about complex option strategies, derivatives, swaps. No, we're talking about something extremely simple that all of us can understand. Investing in some solid companies, in some solid strategies that are going to help you, not just now, but in the next 10 to 15 to 20 years. So from now on, no longer can you be a part of that. Oh, well, it's not my fault. It's the rich, the economy, blah, 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 right? Now you can be a part of that class that says, look, I did make money. I am financially stable. I made some great decisions in my life that changed my future and changed the future of my entire family. All starts, I guess now, right? Join the class.